surfboards around.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So normally my channel is about traveling and cooking, but I have something new for my channel because recently I have a new activity and I really like it so much. So I'm going to unboxing something that I just bought it. During the pandemic time, I became like a lazy person. I don't want to do anything, don't want to go out or do any sport. And finally I found like a new activity that I really like it, which is surf skating. And to be able to use a surf skate, I should use all body to make a movement on the board, which is kind of fun. I really like it, enjoy it when I ride it on the board, and also it's kind of good exercise like cardio. And another good thing is it's always good when you do it with your friends because you always can share some tips together and riding to some place that you can explore new places, and it's so nice to enjoy it with your friends. One month ago I started, and during that time it's quite hard to find a surf skate because I don't know how it come, but it turned out that everywhere is sold out. So I bought one brand to practice it, and I want to see how I like it or not. And then it turned out that I like it, and I pre-ordered from one shop which named Blue Tomato. My friend from Spain, she sent it to me, and then I went on the website and pre-ordered this surfskate brand, which I really like it so much. And the shop told me that I will get it in July, so I wouldn't expect that it would come so fast, and I think by that time I would be very good on the surfskate. Anyway, it came out that they sent me a new board that I pre-ordered within 1 month. So now I have it next to me, and I will show you how it look like. I will unboxing with you guys. I don't know how it look like. We will see it together. Okay, so let's see how it look like. Okay. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Okay guys, let's open it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. So they pack it quite well. Okay, inside of the box, I have a magazine from the shop. The name is Blue Tomato, as I said before. And some receipts, how to return it back if I don't like it or if there is something wrong with the board, which is nice. Okay, let's see the main items. So they put these to cover the landing part of the board. Okay, wow, so nice. I also have the price here. So let's see, let's open it. Okay, yay! Did you guys see it? So beautiful. So nice. So this is YOW, I hope it's safe. YOW, your own wave pipe 2021. So I still got the blue wheel, which is the old type of these wheels. If you order now, you will get the white one, I believe that. So it mounts with Meraki system, which is give you more stability and control over the turns. That's what they said. The truck is Meraki S5, which is from YOW brand, as you can see. And the wheels is 66 mm with 78A, so I believe it's gonna be very soft on the road. And special thing of Pipe 2021, I mean, it's a truck because it's a new truck system, Meraki S5, the wheels, and also the tails. This is the fishtail style, which is so cute. I really like it so much. The color of this is my favorite. The style is amazing. I will show you how to play it. So let's go.
La llamas cuando tienes frío. Al menos chica eres muy sensata. Te vas cuando tus padres están dormidos. Y lista pa' perrear, baby, a los ata. Mama, baby, nos fugamos tú y yo en la noche. Que eres independiente y se te ve. Yo lo sé, que tienes interés, baby, mama, baby, nos fugamos.
Thank you for watching my video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.